Welcome to another episode of the Discovering Jesus Adventure Series. This is day number 309. Yep, still got a lot of destruction over here. It even took out that tree right there. Chicken coop is basically half gone. Our well is gone. Our other chicken coop is gone. We got holes in the library. It's going to take forever to rebuild. Well, I guess nothing like the present then. We can get to it. Not sure what all I'm going to do. Oh, hey, it's Merchant Poppy. Hey, how are you today?
Mr. Mevin.
Hi, how are you?
What happened here?
Well, we had like a lot of chickens and Mr. Redbeard came by and he wasn't happy and he kind of lavaed them all.
Lava?
Yeah. Put a lot of, and so it kind of burnt a lot of things. Our tree is gone. Part of it, we got holes in the library. Oh, it's going to take a lot of work.
You learned the library.
Yes, we burnt the library.
That's bad.
Yeah, bad.
What are you going to do?
Well, I got to go gather all these supplies because it's going to take forever because I don't have any left. Oh.
Do you need supplies?
Yeah. Supplies would be great. Do you have any?
Wood.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Lanterns.
Okay. Oh, lantern. Oh, that's a lot of lanterns. Yeah. We
steps.
have. Oh, yeah. Some steps would be
good. You have a hole in your steps.
Yep. Okay. Fantastic. Well, thank you. You just come by to give me all that stuff?
Well, do you have books left?
Oh, yeah. Thankfully, none of our books burnt up. So, yeah, we can read the Bible. Let's go do that.
Let's read the Bible.
So, what have you been up to?
Collecting. Just
this whole time?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because last time I saw you was here with Jelly, and you gave him the strawberry milk, and it's been good. So I'm just curious what you've been up to. Just collecting, huh?
Experimenting.
Oh, are you making another one?
I collect stuff to experiment.
Oh, did you make any other potions of any kind?
Not yet.
Okay, well, you have strawberry milk. I think you have, apple juice?
Yes.
Okay. So nothing else yet, huh?
What sounds good?
I don't know what sounds good.
Chocolate milk?
Chocolate milk. Yeah.
Chocolate milk.
We got some strawberry milk. Chocolate milk sounds pretty good.
I like chocolate milk.
Okay. Yeah. Chocolate milk. That sounds pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and read. Day 309. Jesus' miracle is discussed. Oh, you weren't here. But Jesus healed a blind man, and then he did it by taking some mud, spitting on it, and rubbing it over his eyes.
Ooh.
Then he had him go to I think it was a river, and wash it, so he never actually saw Jesus. And then some people did, but a lot of people didn't even believe that it was him who was healed, and he's like, yes, it was me. And so that's where we're at now. Okay, here we go. John chapter 9, verses 13 through 17. So if you have your Bible, go ahead and open up to John chapter 9, and you can follow along. Here's our reflect. Why was it hard for the Pharisees to believe? Guess we'll have to read and find out. Why was it hard for the Pharisees to believe? All right, well, you're an awesome reader. Can you read for us?
Then they took the man who had been blind to the Pharisees, because it was on the Sabbath that Jesus had made the mud and healed him. The Pharisees asked the man all about it, so he told them, "He put the mud over my eyes, and when I washed it away, I could see."
Wow.
Some of the Pharisees said, "This man Jesus is not from God, for he is working on the Sabbath." Others said, "But how could an ordinary sinner do such miraculous signs?" So there was a deep division of opinion among them.
Okay, so some believed and some didn't. Interesting.
Then the Pharisees again questioned the man who had been blind and demanded, "What's your opinion about this man who healed you?" The man replied, "I think he must be a prophet."
Well, that's a good answer. All right, well, here's our praise. Jesus, your works are mighty. Yes, they are. If you'd like to praise Jesus with us, let's do it now. Ready, go. Jesus, your works are mighty. Fantastic. Well, that's some great
miracles.
we'll do that
Whitey
one.
Mercs. Whitey Mercs.
Oh, fireworks everywhere. Fantastic. Well, thank you, Merchant Poppy, for all these supplies. I can get everything rebuilt. And we're still trying to figure out like what kind of tree we should put right here. Do you have any ideas?
Banana.
A banana tree. Well, if I can make it work, I'll do a banana tree. Would you make some banana milk?
Ew.
Oh, no banana milk. Okay. All right, everybody. Thanks for reading the Bible with us. Be sure to read the Bible every day, and we'll see you all tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.